My mic was muted that whole time. Okay, so I got all my panel layout based on actually field dimensions for this project. So I'm just going through and making a W block for each of the elevations. So I've done it for the north and for the east. And next I'll do the south. Just can't see over here on my other screen. Um, but I'm saving them all, into a RHINO background file. And then I'll do the west. Okay, got all those saved. And I'm going to use, I'm going to steal a RHINO file that I've already been using just so that, some of my settings are relatively the same. So I'll open up BP9, delete all that stuff, save as, and I will save that to OneDrive, wherever it is. Okay, Chase Fremont, shop drawings, and we'll call this Chase Fremont model. Okay. Alright, now I can start dropping these in. So import Chase Fremont, shop drawings, RHINO backgrounds. Uh-oh. I might have saved them in the wrong place. Oh yeah, I saved them in there. Okay, so let's do the east. All the settings stay the same. And then remember, you kind of lose the file. So we'll go to zoom, E for extends. There it is. Okay. Move this guy down here. Oops. Move. Point to move from there. I'm going to move it to 0, 0. Should bring it down by my, yeah, right down there. Okay, so I'm going to figure this side of the axis is my south elevation. So let me just move this over here for time being. Remember, hold down shift for ortho. Pretty much the same. Okay. And then I'm gonna import my next one, which is the north. Open. Okay. And zoom extends. It's kind of silly how I can't find it. Huh. Zoom. one's right there. Way over there. Move to 0,0. I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I haven't figured it out yet. Okay, so this is my north elevation. So I'm going to move it up here. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Import my next one. South elevation. Okay. I was just seeing if there's a place you can move it to 0,0, but I guess not. Extends somewhere in here. Okay. Move 0,0. Okay, so that guy's there. So south is right here. Okay. Import my last one, which is the west. It extends. Find that. Move it. 0,0. Alright. So now I have them all together. And I need to flip them around to get them in the right position. So let me move this one. Can I move it? Yeah, I can. You can grab the gumball, which is this little deal that has all these different dynamic functions. So I'm going to move this one now to 0,0, which that's a good starting place. Oops. Move there. 0,0. Okay. Move this guy. Okay, I should probably see if these are grouped. I'm going to group all these just so when I'm moving them around it's easier. Group. 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 Right, I'm just right clicking the repeat command. It's just like AutoCAD. Okay, so yep, they're all grouped now. Okay, so the first one, south elevation, right here. So now we want to be in perspective view once we kind of get them all laid out over here. So perspective. Okay. Okay, so this is where you hold down Control and then left click and then let go of Control, or hold down Control, left click and hold, and let go of Control. That's a silly one, but now you've got you're moving your axis pivot point. So now I'm going to stand this up. I can't remember which one it is. It's not that one. It's this one. Stand it up. So it's vertical. Okay. This one. Oh, actually, I need to go back here and rotate a couple of them. So this one is getting rotated this way. Okay. And I'm going to stand this up. So hold down Control, hold the left click mouse, and let go of Control, but while still holding the left click, and move that over. And then I need to rotate this, whichever one it is. Stand it up, and now I can move it to the corner to line up. So move MO from here to here. Hopefully I laid everything out right in CAD. These joints line up. So one thing you can do is hit your zoom command and just highlight your window, and it'll help for your zooming in. Next I'll do this guy. So let's see. I need to rotate it to the right like that so that I can stand it up. And this I'm going to connect it at the corner here. Move here, snap it on there. So you can kind of see it starting to come together now. Okay, then this one I need to flip all the way around to here. And then move my pivot point to there and flip it. Okay. And move it to the bottom corner to connect it. Alright, so those are all in. So the 3D structure's built. So this is a one-piece corner panel, and there's going to be a roof panel that it ties into, but I'm gonna kind of draw that in here. It'll be easier now. So I think, let's see, panel lines. And you can see this is going to have a little bit of slope on the roof panel. So there's my polyline command or button up here, but you can just hit PO. And let's see if it'll snap to that. Yeah. So I'm just going to kind of draw it over. Draw this one over. Snap it. And so trim, same as AutoCAD. TR, select cutting object. It's this one. Right click, object to trim. This guy, enter, and I'm done. Right click for enter, and I'm done. Okay, so that's all in. I'm gonna add a line here for the miter, PO for polyline. Connect that bitch together. That's done. Okay. So I think what I'll do is I'll use this line to copy those other lines in at the slope. So I'm just going to take that and draw over it. And I'm going to move. While you're holding something, you can still do your control shift to spin around. Snap it right there. Then I'm going to copy. It's really similar to AutoCAD with commands. once you figure out. Okay, copy these, copy, 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 and copy. Alright, grab this guy and draw a line over it so I can copy it. I'm going to move it. So since we're in 3D, and you click a line, there might be another line behind it, so it always asks you which one you want to grab. So obviously grab the curve, MO for move, move that to here. I'm going to do my zoom to get my view reset. I don't know why it does that, but copy, 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 and copy. Okay. And the reason I'm doing a panel line layer so that once I get all my surfaces drawn, I can just delete these lines so so it's all clean. So there it is. Okay, so I think I'm gonna draw this time. This time I am gonna draw. Well, I'll wait till part. Oh, this is part 3, so I'll wait for part 4 to draw my my surface and do my actual evil legs and show how to unfold and flatten it out for CNC cutting on my next one.